In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp Tutorial for Beginners Easy Guide. We'll start by getting you set up. Head to ClickUp, sign in or create an account and create your workspace. Think of the workspace as your home base. Everything you build, from projects to notes, lives inside it, so choose a name that represents your overall use, like your business or personal productivity hub. Before we create anything, it helps to understand ClickUp's hierarchy. At the top is your workspace. Inside it, you'll create spaces, which act like big categories such as work, personal, or clients. Within a space, you can optionally add folders to group-related projects. Inside folders or directly inside a space, you'll create lists, which hold your actual tasks. Tasks are the actionable items, and you can break them down further with subtasks when needed. Keeping this structure in mind will make everything more organized from the start. Now let's create a space. Click Spaces, then New Space. Give it a clear name, like projects. Choose the features you need, such as statuses, docs, or automations. If you're new, start simple. Pick a few statuses like to do, in progress, and done, and you can always add more later as your workflow evolves. Inside your space, create your first list. You can add a folder first if you want to group several lists, or go straight to new list. Name it something specific like content ideas or work tasks, so it's obvious what goes there. Next, add your first task by clicking the plus button. Give the task a meaningful name, add a description with details or links, set a due date, and assign it to yourself or a teammate. If the task has multiple parts, add subtasks or checklists to break down the work. This helps you see progress and avoid missing steps. ClickUp lets you view your work in different ways. Use List View for a clean, straightforward list. Switch to Board View if you prefer a Kanban style to drag tasks between statuses. Calendar View is perfect for seeing deadlines, and Gantt View shows timelines for planning and dependencies. Choose the view that matches how you like to think and work. Use ClickUp Docs to keep notes, SOPs, or scripts in one place, and link those docs directly to related tasks so everything stays connected. Install the mobile app to create and edit tasks on the go, and use reminders to keep yourself on track wherever you are. As you grow, try automations to assign tasks, change statuses, or trigger due date reminders automatically. Start small to keep things clear. Finally, stay organized with tags, set priorities like urgent or low, and use filters to quickly surface what matters most.